Question number 1. In which state of India reside the maximum number of tribals? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Nagaland. Option C, West Bengal. Option D, none of the above. Your time start now. Option A, Madhya Pradesh is right answer. Question number 2. Which is the largest tribe in India? Option A, Bhil. Option B, Gond. Option C, Baiga. Option D, none of these. Your time start now. Option A, Bill is right answer. Question number 3. Which is the largest tribe in Madhya Pradesh? Option A, Bhil. Option B, Gond. Option C, Baiga. Option D, none of these. Your time start now. Option B, Gond is right answer. Question number 4. In which state Garo, Kasi and Jantia tribes are located? Option A, Assam. Option B, Meghalaya. Option C, Madhya Pradesh. Option D, none of the above. Your time start now. Option B, Meghalaya is right answer. Question number 5. Which Indian state has Konda, Savara, Koya and Gadaba tribes? Option A, Andhra Pradesh. Option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Option C, Assam. Option D, Bihar. Your time start now. Option A, Andhra Pradesh is the right answer. Question number 6. What is the dominant tribe in the state of Meghalaya? Option A, Kasi. Option B, Jantia. Option C, Garo. Option D, War. Your time start now. Option A, Kasi is the right answer. Question number 7. Which Indian state has the tribes Chenchus, Konda, Lambada and Gond? Option A, Andhra Pradesh. Option B, Telangana. Option C, Tripura. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. Your time start now. Option B, Telangana is right answer. Question number 8. Which of the following are the primary causes of water pollution? Option A, plants. Option B, animals. Option C, human activities. Option D, none of these. Your time start now. Option C, human activities is right answer. Question number 9. Viral diseases are caused by option A, bacteria, option B, fungi, option C, protozoa, option D, virus. Your time start now. Option D, virus is the right answer. Question number 10. Which of the following is communicable disease? Option A, diabetes. Option B, chickenpox. Option C, Alzheimer's. Option D, cancer. Your time start now. Option B, chickenpox is the right answer. Question number 11. What is the name of the longest dam in India? Tehri Dam. Option B, Sardar Sarovar Dam. Option C, Hirakud Dam. Option D, Almaty Dam. Your time start now. Option C, Hirakud Dam is the right answer. Question number 12. Earthquakes are measured on option A, ruler, option B, barometer, option C, Richter scale, option D, all of the above. Your time start now. Option C, Richter scale is right answer. Question number 13. Which one of the following are causes of drought? Option A, less rainfall. Option B, high temperature. Option C, dry winds. Option D, all of the above. Your time start now. Option D. All of the above is right answer. Question number 14. The shaking of the earth is called option A wave, option B cyclone, option C earthquake, option D storm. Your time start now. Option C. Earthquake is right answer. Question number 15. The liquid which comes out of a volcano is called option A. Lava. Option B. Magma. Option C. Water. Option D. Petrol. Your time start now. Option A. Lava is right answer. Question number 16. The instrument used for detecting earthquakes waves is called option A. Seismograph. Option B. Seismologist. Option C. Richter scale. Option D. All of the above. Your time start now. Option A. Seismograph is right answer. Question number 17. Those who study earthquakes are called option A. Geologist. Option B. Seismologist. Option C. Astronomers. Option D. Astrologers. Your time start now. Option B. Seismologist is right answer. Question number 18. What is the national tree of India? Option A. Tamarind tree. Option B. Banyan tree. Option C. Neem tree. Option D. People tree. Your time start now. Option B. Banyan tree is right answer. Question number 19. What is the national fruit of India? Option A. Pomegranate, option B, apple, option C, banana, option D, mango. Your time start now. Option D, mango is right answer. Question number 20. What is the national bird of India? Option A, peacock, option B, kingfisher, option C, bald eagle, option D, parrot. Your time start now. Option A. Peacock is right answer. Question number 21. What is the national animal of India? Option A. Deer. Option B. Giraffe. Option C. Bengal tiger. Option D. Lion. Your time start now. Option C. Bengal tiger is right answer. Question number 22. What is the national flower of India? Option A. Lotus. Option B. Jasmine. Option C. Lily. Option D. Sunflower. Your time start now. Option A. Lotus is right answer. Question number 23. Which is the national river of India? Option A. Saraswati. Option B. Indus. Option C. Ganga. Option D. Yamuna. Your time start now. Option C. Ganga is right answer. Question number 24. What is the national heritage animal? Option A. Sheep. Option B, cow. Option C, deer. Option D, elephant. Your time start now. Option D, elephant is right answer. Question number 25. Who was the composer of our national anthem? Option A, Rabindranath Tagore. Option B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Option C, Iqbal. Option D, Deshbandhu. Your time start now. Option A, Rabindranath Tagore is right answer. హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ఒక లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోలు చూడాలంటే నా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.